Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to clean RAM memory on your Samsung Galaxy A40, which can make your phone faster. So first you must go to the settings. Now scroll down to battery and device care. And here you tap on memory. Phone will check your memory. And now you can see your available RAM, used memory, and all the apps which occupy your memory. Now you can clean your memory by tapping on this blue button. Phone is cleaning your memory and showing the progress. And now is memory cleaned. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye.